You are too faithful to fail me. Ogene. You are too faithful to disappoint me. Oh, you prove yourself in my life, and I've come to realize you are too faithful to fail me. This God, they do something, no? Hey, God. We are one vote start self. Aproko people make una come. No say una when be aproko una no go lie here this guy tea. I catch one wish this night. You know wish now. If you been wish before, you suppose know till they come wish. That time when me I come from, they call the Ekpeans. Chinese people they call them Shawon Tai. Then they call them. Don't be smart, you know. We are one vote start self. God. That's why I always tell una. Make una dey pray before una sleep. Don't be say night just reach. I'm tired. I can't pray. You hear that bread? Yakata. Don't be smart, you know. Which time self? I feel remember the time I take out this winch. I be around kind 12. I be 12:13. I be 1 some kind around that kind time. I dey sleep for my own room. Just not be saying that she will give me money when I take rent the house. So now just see something they scratch me. I think when they sweet me. You know that rat now. That rat when get long mad. If you want chop your leg, go they blow it, go they sweet you. Now so the thing they sweet me they go. I don't feel come get strength to first say make I go wake up again. The thing they sweet me. You know say when so they sweet like honey now, you go they. You know how they be for body. Not be so. Now you know. I know what just enter my body. Now say I beg. Now God never wake me up. Now God never wake me up that night. As I just wake up, it's not just make I just wake up. Now I wake up. So I wake up. Fine girl. Fine beautiful girl. Now cash. She holds straw. Una no straw na straw when e be say if you go buy drink for bar and if you say I need straw, then she carry come. And if you see this girl, her cash her red her dead. Serious one how they tell na so. As I catch the girl, she even shock when I even catch herself because she not believe. The thing don't over at that night. That's why I always tell you now. All those mosquitoes and when the way mosquito not they sleep now, so they themselves they not they sleep. That is why I always tell you now. If you see mosquito, kill them. If you see this guy, he fine. He do long hair. If you see the kind of hair when this guy do, if you see the kind of hair, if now wire, you used to wire 2-bedroom flat. Come fine, come do eyelash, come do her nails. That's why they tell you all those fine girls when you see now they carry those of them they carry up and so. Now winches, now they carry. Not be small thing, now cash am. You hold straw for a very long straw. Now what they can't do for you. Then she I hold her. In fact, I take hold herself. She not feel disappear again self. Wetin they can't do by this kind of time for inside my room? Then she come dey beg me. I come dey room one shot self. I come dey one shot call my neighbor. Then she come dey beg me say I beg. She did testing of blood. Say no, say na one chance you go enter this night. You know say the thing they do then they be like say you know if you dey smoke igbo, if you not see her smoke, you get how they inch your body. Then she come dey explain no. Say I think that's so the thing do am. Say no, so today na one chance. Then she enter. I hold her. She not fit disappear. Now I got the shot. I got the shot with my neighbor. When I come, then got to say, I beg, no shot now. No shot. I beg, pity me. No shot. I no go do am again. I beg. I don't want to carry me come. Now so you dey beg me, you dey come, you dey. And if you see the straw, very long. So you carry this kind of thing. Wetin be this one? This straw. Wetin you want you to do to me before? Say you want you to suck my blood. If you see the straw, very long. The girl wan empty my blood that night. Now she come dey beg me, abeg, he no go try am again. Make I just leave her, make she go. He say, in fact, after if I fit leave her now, she say she go pass there repent. She come dey quote Bible for me. There no Bible. She come dey quote Bible from most of the verses when she dey even dey quote sef. Me when I dey go church, I no know am. She dey quote. You know say based on say me, I be God fearing somebody now. You know, that's okay. Be like say true this girl comot for here, she go repent as she talk. Now God say okay, no wahala. As you don tell me say you wan repent, so make sure say you repent o. Because this one you do to me so, if you go do am to another person, if they catch you, they go burn you. Na because of say me I get God fearing mind. And she come say yes. She go repent. Immediately she comot from house now, say she dey go find one church when they say she go take, where pastor go take deliver her, make she just repent, go like that. Na so, that's okay, yeah, go. Oh yeah, make disappear now. Then she go tell me to say make I open door for her. Make I open door for her, make she dey go. Now let us open door for you, for I know that I open door for you. Abi you knock door before you enter this house. Disappear now. She come dey beg me, say no, say she no get appetite to dey disappear. My brother, my sister and brethren, those of una me say never watch the video when e be say I take catch the wish. Oh yeah, regarding